Good day to all supermomshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Today, supermomshies, we're going to create another beautiful flower which is called Periwinkle Flowers. If you are ready, we're going to start now. Okay, supermomshies, again, we'll go back to the bottles again and the yogurt jar. These are the main materials needed. Of course, the glue gun, these bottles, plastic bags, and non-woven cloth. Of course, my tools, and some other accessories needed. And for sure, we need also these acrylic colors. Alright, this one is what we need only. So each flower, actually, they have different way in cutting their own petals shaping. Alright, supermomshies, so this is how it looks like. So before we're going to paint with acrylic, we're going to cut the yogurt jar. So in this part, we just need this bottom part. Alright, so we're going to cut and we will just take this part. We will create 3 colors of periwinkle. So we have the pink one, we have the violet, and the yellow one. At the middle, we're going to put the white, of course. So we will color this 3 layers. So these are now the finished product that we paint. So all we have to do is to bend the petals like this. Going to put the hole here to put this bendable wire and able to attach the petals. Now we're going to cut the leaves so we can also attach it. So this is how the periwinkle flowers. So before we will assemble it, I'm going to show you one additional accessories for me to finalize. Then we will do the flower arrangement. So this is it, the stamen of the flower. So I'm going to add it with my periwinkle flowers. I'm going to arrange it as a flower bouquet. Alright, supermomshies, this is how I created my periwinkle assorted flowers. So I hope you did like this project today. Before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to everybody, to all subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe now and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until next time, babushi.